Morning, Agent Engine Carbon Clean. We've got a Jeep Grand Cherokee from 2005. It's a 3 litre diesel. This one's got 129,000 on the clock. Now the owner's booked us in to have a look at it. It's got an engine light on. There's a turbo related code in there. It's coming up with turbo boost control circuit, and that code will not clear. It's an active code. Attempt to clear it, immediately back. Basically there's a circuit break there, so that needs rectifying. Clean's not going to sort that out. In terms of the rest of the diagnostics, 3 glow plugs down, 2, 4, 2, 5 and 6. In terms of the live data, lazy thermostat on this by the look of it. It's only going up to about 83 degrees and pop the heating on inside, and it pulls the heat out the engine bay. Straight down to 78. That needs a new thermostat by the look of that. So it is a 17-year-old car, so you'd expect that thermostat's ready for a change. Other than that, it seems to be running pretty nice. There's not too much engine shake in this, getting it cleaned up anyway. Lovely and smooth and quiet compared to what it was. Just need that boost control circuit issue looking at, 3 new glow plugs and a new thermostat.